Hello again, everybody. 18F4550 videos here, and I just finished recording and uploading my most recent tutorial series, which is covering OpenCV 2.4.11 and Windows 7 installation and configuration. And I'm planning out some of my next tutorial series at this point. I have kind of some different ideas I'm bouncing around. One would be to do sort of a tour all the way through OpenCV of beginning and intermediate level functionality, like sort of like maybe a 10 chapter or so book would be, but in a video format instead. Another thing I was thinking about doing was possibly doing maybe a series of 8 or 9 or 10 videos showing sort of the individual pieces, parts of reading a license plate in a scene and then putting it all together with the working program at the end. Also, I've been looking into the Raspberry Pi 2 a little bit lately, especially as far as support for Windows 10. The way that that's set up is you can develop programs on your desktop computer in Visual Studio and then load them into the Raspberry Pi 2. That's really kind of the way it's intended to be set up, as opposed to the Raspberry Pi so far, where development was almost kind of more intended to be done on the Pi, and you had to do extra steps to develop it on a desktop and then load it, whereas with the Windows version that's going to be the intended way to do it, which really seems ideal to me. And the Raspberry Pi 2 is really an outstanding tool to use, so I may look into that. I have some other ideas possibly as well. So being that I'm going to start recording some more videos regularly now, I did set up a Patreon page. If anybody out there can donate anything at all per video, that would be wonderful. If you're not in a position where that's financially, economically viable for you, no hard feelings at all. I will keep all my content 100% free. But if that is something that's possible, please consider, any amount at all, even just say 50 cents a video would be greatly appreciated. So I'll see everybody in the next video.